Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we are making pom-pom rugs for your doll. Even if you don't have like a bedroom set for your doll or anything like that, she still might want to decorate her space with a cute little rug. So you'll see in the time-lapse video that to make this rug you will need a cardboard circle, a felt circle, pom-poms, and hot glue. So I have a circle template that I use here that unfortunately I can't put in the make and take kits, but I use it for here to make things look a little nicer. So I traced the circle onto the cardboard, I cut the cardboard out, then I used the cardboard circle that I had cut out, and that's what I traced my felt from. That way I knew for sure that the felt would come out to be the right size. It was still a little bit hangs over the edge, but that's okay. You can tuck it down on the sides. My felt that I used actually happened to be sticky, and I picked that felt on purpose. I don't think that felt's going to be in the make and take kits, so what you will need to do, I stuck it right onto my cardboard circle. You will have to glue it on, but it will work the same way. So you glue your felt down, and then you glue your pom-poms to the top of the felt. And you can do it in any pattern that you want. You could do just the outside, you could do a swirly, you could cover it completely, you could leave some felt space. That's why we put the felt down first instead of just using the cardboard circle, because some of them that I saw, they did just use the cardboard circle. But if you didn't want to cover your whole thing and you wanted to have some color coming up underneath, that's why I thought we would use the felt, because you'll even see I have like here and here and here. I even have little holes that I didn't fill in all the way. So it's totally up to you. It's up to you how you want to do it. This is a very easy craft. I will just suggest that if you're using hot glue, you get an adult's permission and you have an adult on hand with you while you're doing it. I'm old and I still don't like to use hot glue very much because I always end up getting it stuck to me, and I don't burn myself, but it doesn't feel very good. So that is your simple, easy doll pom-pom rug craft. We hope you've been enjoying American Girl Afternoon. You're still enjoying it, and that you will come back and see what craft we have cooked up for next week. Have a great day.